Hey everyone, I'm Engineer Liu from Doukan. In this episode, let's take a look at Doukan's newest energy storage product, the Doukan Stackable Battery Pack. It's also my personal favorite because it's very easy to assemble. Just find a spot and stack it up yourself. And if anything ever goes wrong, whether it's inspection or replacement, everything is very convenient. Alright, enough chit-chat. Let's begin the assembly process. First, make sure the inside of the enclosure is clean. Keep everything nice and tidy. Then install the fireproof materials on the bottom and sides. Place the epoxy boards and the foam padding. Next, begin arranging the battery cells. Remember, between every 2 cells, place 1 piece of foam padding. And one more thing, wear insulated gloves that fit your hands properly. Not too loose, not too slippery. Otherwise you might lose your grip on the cells. Alright, the cells are now in place. Now let's check the sequence carefully. The very first cell on the left is the total negative terminal. Count forward 8 cells, then connect in series to the 9th cell on the right side. And the last cell on the right, closest to you, is the total positive terminal. Understood? If not, grab a notebook and draw it 10 times yourself. After placing the cells, take the front retaining panel and secure the cells in position. Now comes an important step. So keep your eyes focused. Take the connector bus bars we provided. Starting from the positive terminal of the first cell, connect all cells together in series. Honestly, the whole process feels pretty satisfying to watch. After finishing the connections, place the washers and tighten the nuts. Just like that, the series connection is complete. Next, we connect the battery's nervous system. Take the 2 long foam pads and place them across the top of the cells. Then install the sensor board onto the foam padding above the cells. Be extremely careful here. Do not let your hands slip and accidentally touch the battery terminal using the metal pressure strip underneath the sensor board. If you don't see sparks, that probably means you're already passed out. So yes, be very careful. After securing the sensor board, connect the sensor wires to the connector bus bars. When tightening the screws, use your hand to support the contact point of the wire. Do not pull too hard, or you may damage the wire. For now, leave the sensor wire on the first cell's negative terminal and the 16th cell's positive terminal disconnected. At this point, you're basically finished. Next, connect the BMS to the sensor board. First, confirm that the circuit breaker is off. Then remember this power-up sequence carefully. First, connect sensor board A. Second, connect the total negative terminal. Third, connect the total positive terminal. Finally, connect sensor board B. And when powering down, do the exact opposite order. Please remember the sequence clearly. Once everything is connected, briefly press the power button. The Gistin will power on, and the upper right corner, you can switch the language. Check whether all displayed data looks normal. If everything is good, install the cover, and slowly admire your masterpiece. Alright, that's the end of this episode. If you still haven't learned it properly, go lie in bed and watch it again slowly. I'm Engineer Liu, and I'll see you next time.